Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of bedroom design where comfort meets creativity and personal style transform spaces. Whether you are looking to revamp your own bedroom or simply seeking inspiration, you are in for a treat. In this video, we will explore a variety of unique bedroom themes, innovative decor ideas, and practical tips to transform your bedroom into a cozy haven and that reflects your personality. So, you are ready to unlock the secret to create the perfect bedroom retreat straight on, and let's begin. So, number one is steampunk retreat. Combine Victorian era aesthetic with industrial element. Think brass, accent exposed gear, vintage leather, and rich warm colors. Under the stars, design your bedroom to resemble a nighty sky. Use dark walls with twinkling stars, decals, themed bedspread, and cosmic artwork. Enhanced forest. Bring a magic of the forest indoor with trees, branch decor, fairy lights, carpets, and earthly tunes. Vintage travel hammond. Transform your bedroom into a cozy travel inspired retreat with vintage suitcases, map, globals, and old world charm. Art decor elegance. Embrace the glamour of the 1920s with geometric patterns, mirrored furniture, and bold contrasting colors. Tropical paradise. Create a tropical oasis with palm leaf print, bamboo furniture, rattan decor, and a color platy inspired by a beach landscape. Bohemian Dreamland. Mix pattern